I want you to look at something in the room that you are and say, I could change that into something I want. Because you know what? You can.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace. In my channel, I upcycle furniture and other items, and as you can see, I am tech obsessed. When you look at something, think, hey, what can I do with this? And that's what I want you to take away from my videos. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a project that I'm going to be starting today. You know, I was looking at this on Marketplace and I'm thinking, what can I do with that? I love it just the way it is, but I figure, hey, why not spruce it up? This is not that heavy caster material. It's almost like plasticky material. I've got two of them. I'm going to do one for my granddaughter's room, and it's almost like a foamy material. I don't want the heavy plaster ones because that's not going to work for me. I'm going to be painting it for my living room. This is a 27-inch. It is so pretty. Let me bring you an up-close shot. It's got so much detail in it. At the end of the day, you know what? If it doesn't, it was a couple of bucks I paid for it, so who cares, right? It's not like I went to the hardware store and I paid like $100, $200. So, I mean, you know, how much did I pay for this? $25. Hello, $25, who cares, right? I mean, it's money, but it's not like, you know, an exuberant amount that I'm going to go broke. If it doesn't turn out the colors that I like or what I'm going to do with it, hey, you know what? I'll throw on a coat of white paint and put it back to its natural beauty. That's the way I want you to think. I want you to think not to be afraid if something doesn't turn out. I want you to think of something like, hey, if it doesn't, you know what? It can be fixed. It's only paint. So this is for an upcoming video, but I did want to give you sort of a glimpse so that you could see what it is that I'm working on. Now, without further ado, let's get back to the video. I really love the way it has the little flowers over here. It's so pretty, and it's got some very nice detail. So I'm going to be doing this for the room. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but we're going to try something a little bit different. have it. That's the way it looks. I am going to do a reveal in my girl's room. So this will be part of the reveal at that time. So I'm not going to show you how it looks now. That's a surprise for a very near future video.
Do you remember when we first met? I thought my eyes would fall straight out of my head. Guess we are living proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, bloom and thrive. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive, keeping love alive. Still here we are, my friend, over 10 years down the road. 3 kids in a big old house, can't wait happy alone. Well, I gotta give it to you, don't know how you found the time. Making all ends meet while running down that line. Keeping love alive, it's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, you gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, bloom and thrive. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, have an amazing week, and stay safe, everybody. Thank you for staying with me and watching this video.
Guess I'm not the lucky type.